Peroxisomes. Peroxisomes are small, membrane-bound organelles found in eukaryotic cells. Some of their functions include 1. Detoxification. Peroxisomes play a crucial role in the detoxification of harmful substances in the cell, such as hydrogen peroxide, by breaking them down into less harmful compounds. 2. Lipid metabolism. Peroxisomes are involved in the metabolism of fatty acids, including the breakdown of very long-chain fatty acids and the synthesis of plasmalogens. 3. Biosynthesis of bile acids. Peroxisomes are involved in the biosynthesis of bile acids, which aid in the digestion of fats in the small intestine. 4. Glycosylate cycle. In plants and some microorganisms, peroxisomes are involved in the glycosylate cycle, which converts stored fats into glucose for energy production. 5. Redox signaling. Peroxisomes play a role in redox signaling, a process by which cells sense and respond to changes in oxidative stress levels.